So guys, I will show you in today's video how you can fix YouTube videos and shorts being in a different language and you not being able to fix it. Now, what we need to do to be able to fix this problem is we need to head over to a YouTube video or short, and then you want to go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots here. And then from here, you can then go down and click on audio track. Once we select audio track, as you can see, there is different ones here. And what you will notice, you can then click on any of these. So for example, German, I will then change it.
3. Schalte zunächst dein iPhone komplett aus.
This video is now in German, so if I want to change it back to my native language of English, go to audio track, go to English.
Then press and hold both the volume up.
And as you can see, it is now back in English. If it is not allowing you to do this, what will happen is it will be a bug with the YouTube app, and you just need to check back later at a later date, and it should have been updated and sorted within the app. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.